best penny stocks to buy on May 13th, 2026. Number one recommendation is Dreamland Limited, stock symbol TDIC. It is up today 72% or $1.67, trading at $4.05. Since this morning, it already traded 48 million shares. Market cap of the company is $116 million. So this company is kind of interesting, and I think it was on my report yesterday if you saw it. It was basically trading at around like $1.40 just 2 days ago, and it was trading around 70 cents for the last 6 months. However, they released some kind of news and the stock just went crazy. It went from pretty much quadrupled in 2 days. It went from $1 to like $4, and the trading volume is very healthy. You know, it goes like yesterday it was close to like 200 million shares. This morning it's already pushing 48 million shares. So it looks very exciting. So if I were you, I would take a look and see, you know, what kind of business this company is in. And plus I like the name, Dreamland, where everybody wants to be. So take a look. Next one is Robo.ai, stock symbol AIIO. It is up today another 66% or 85 cents, trading at $2.14. Since this morning, it already traded 29 million shares. Market cap for the company is $41 million. This company is from financial conglomerate sector. So, but it looks like it is tightly connected to artificial intelligence. AI is in the stock symbol and also in its name, Robo.ai. And I like this thing, Robo, like robots. This is like the future of this economy. So take a look, because guess what? 6 months ago, it used to trade at $15 a share. Then it collapsed all the way to like $1. However, something started to happen about 3 or 4 days ago, and the stock started to receive some pretty interesting, pretty major boost. Major boost happened like 4 days ago because trading volume back then went to like probably like 1 billion shares. And after that, it wasn't as much, but the main thing is stock is climbing, and today's jump of 67% is another proof that something is cooking there. The best part is that if you decide to pull the trigger right now at $2.15 and this thing goes back to $15, you could be looking at around 7 times your earnings or 700% gain on this stock. So take a look. Next one is Quantum Cyber, stock symbol QUCY. It is up today 62% or 20 cents, trading at 53 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded, listen to this, 232 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. Market cap for the company is $7 million. This company is from biotechnology sector. And the good thing is that it is actually a recent IPO. It just went public on March 12th of this year, pretty much like about 2 months ago. And it wasn't really traded much, even though it is an IPO, but it went public at 72 cents, then it crashed all the way to like 30 cents. But I guess they released some kind of news today, and suddenly the stock is jumping like crazy, gaining 62%, and also finally generating this huge volume, the volume it didn't even experience when it went public. So apparently, maybe they got some kind of medication that is working now, because biotech companies, they're all about like medical devices, medications. So if I were you, I would take a look, see what's going on there. You're not too late. If you decide to pull the trigger at 52 cents, biotech companies, if they're successful, you know, they go sometimes to tens or hundreds of dollars a share, and you might have a chance to win some major, you know, gains here. So take a look. Next one is Fitness Champs Holdings Limited, stock symbol FCHL. It is up today 42% or 57 cents, trading at $1.90. Since this morning, it already traded 46 million shares. Market cap for the company is $2.38. So what can I tell you? I mean, this company used to trade, listen to this, at $150 a share just 6 months ago. And right now, you could get it for less than $2. So it was trading, but it was like barely trading. Nobody really wanted to touch it because it was kind of like a losing company. So, but apparently they released some kind of news today, and suddenly this is like one of the hottest stocks in the market, jumping 42%. So, and based on the trading volume, this is a record trading volume for them for the last 6 months. So something is definitely cooking there, and I like the name Fitness Champs. I mean, maybe they involved in you know, gyms or some kind of exercise equipment or whatever. But and by the way, this is kind of like a rare you know, I would say sector of the economy that produces this major winners, but it is what it is. So it's up to you to take a look, see what's going on there, because who knows how high they will go. The best part is that if you decide to pull the trigger at $1.92 and this thing goes back to, let's say, where it used to trade $150 a share, I mean, you could be looking at 70 times or 7,000% profit on that stock, so which is kind of huge. So take a look. The next one is MaxCyte, stock symbol MXCT. It is up today 35% or 28 cents, trading at $1.11. Since this morning, it already traded 4 million shares. Market cap for the company is $120 million. So this company is from a biotech sector, and kind of looks like a typical biotech company. 6 months ago, they used to trade at $1.80. Then I guess they couldn't produce any kind of positive results, and they collapsed all the way to 60 cents. So they were just kind of like hovering around 60, 80 cents for about 3 months. But apparently they released some kind of news today, and suddenly they're producing this huge gain of 33% on a very nice trading volume, you know, 4 million shares and counting. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what's going on there, because biotech companies, I mean, they could go pretty high, especially if they got something that's working, maybe something that is in clinical trials. Also, a lot of biotech companies are using artificial intelligence to find, you know, cure or the right medication by using AI. So take a look. Next one is Antelope Enterprise Holdings Limited, stock symbol AEHL. It is up today 28% or 59 cents, trading at $2.67. Since this morning, it already traded 28 million shares. I mean, it traded 47 million shares. Market cap for the company is $15 million. So this company is from building products sector. Used to trade 6 months ago at $20 a share. Then it collapsed all the way to like $1. And in the last 3 trading sessions, it started to build very bullish trend, and it pretty much went from, I'll tell you, it went from $1 all the way to $3 in a matter of 5 days, 5 trading sessions. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what's going on there, maybe get into it. If you want to find other great penny stocks to buy, go to my get my app called Penny Gems, and